Today, we're diving into the world of the ABYS LUX pre-built gaming PC, a sleek powerhouse designed to elevate your gaming, graphic design, and video editing experiences. Let's start with its design, boasting a high transparency side panel, and for mesmerizing RGB fans, this PC adds a touch of modernity to any setup. But it's not just about looks. The outstanding airflow design ensures optimal cooling performance while maintaining whisper-quiet operation. Under the hood, we find an Intel i5 quad-core processor and a whopping 16 GB of RAM, providing the perfect blend of precision and stability for multitasking and demanding applications. The inclusion of an AMD RX 588 GB graphics card opens up a world of possibilities, whether you're rendering 3D models in AutoCAD or diving into the latest AAA titles. Storage-wise, the ABYS LUX doesn't disappoint. With a spacious 256 GB SSD and a 1 TB HDD, you'll have ample room for all your games, files, and projects. Plus, with 3 extra SATA ports, expanding your storage capabilities is a breeze. Connectivity options abound with 3 DisplayPort, 1 HDMI, and 1 DVI port, offering flexibility for multiple display setups. And let's not forget about the pre-installed Windows 10 Pro 64-bit operating system, ensuring stable gaming performance right out of the box. What sets the ABYS LUX apart is its versatility. From light gaming to hardcore video editing, this PC is up to the task, thanks to its robust hardware and thoughtful design. Plus, with assembly in North America by certified techs and a 1-year warranty with hassle-free return policy, you can rest easy knowing you're in good hands. In conclusion, the ABYS LUX pre-built gaming PC is a true powerhouse that delivers on both performance and aesthetics. Whether you're a gamer, graphic designer, or video editor, this versatile solution has you covered. Unleash the best gaming experience with the ABYS LUX, your gateway to endless possibilities. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.